I'm Captain Starlight, and welcome to another Fun with Captain Starlight Unbox and Play. Today, we are building and playing with Lego. But before we begin, can you like and subscribe to our channel? Have you done it yet? Great work! Let's go! Lego! Today, we're building one of these cool mini sets from the 11021 90 Years of Play, a commemorative Lego classic set that celebrates 90 years of play. That includes 15 mini models of some of Lego's most iconic sets. And in this video, the mini model we're making is the first Lego pirate ship, 6285, the Black Seas Barracuda from 1989. Me hearties! It's time to build the pirate ship. Let's start with our base. And now we add, is it the back of the boat? Is it the front of the boat? Or the ship, sorry. Any pirates out there, please forgive me. Ship, it's not a boat, it's a ship. We're adding in, are these the cannons? Have I done this correct? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. We're becoming a Lego Pro. You wouldn't want to cross this on the 7 Seas. Oh, it's looking pretty sturdy. Do you know what a pirate's favorite letter is? Do you think it's R? It's not. It's the C. Oh, that's looking pretty good. I think we now have the front of the ship and the back. We're building the cabin. One there, another there, and excellent. I'm not sure what they do, but I guess we need to keep building and find out. This is just a regular ship. This is a pirate ship. Arr! Arr, me hearties! Now we've got to add the sail. Whoa! I would not want to cross this pirate ship. Here we go, one of those. And then we need to build another one, like so. Oh, they're the sails. They're also the sails. They're the things that blow in the wind. Look, it's all coming together. Oh, and then on top. Oh, I'm a little bit scared of this pirate ship. Yo ho ho ho, a pirate's life for me. If you want to see some more Unbox and Play, click the link below. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, we'll see you on the 7 Seas. Yo ho ho, a pirate's life for me.